How to cancel Discord Nitro subscription. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you cancel Discord Nitro trial subscription. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Discord ID. So you can open it by your web browser or you can open app. So right now I'm opening through Chrome browser. And now after you logged in with your account on Discord, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to click on the setting icon just at the bottom left corner of the screen, so it will look like a gear icon. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the section billing settings. So from here you can go the option subscription, and now from here if you have any subscription like Nitro subscription on Discord, you'll got options to cancel it. So you can as usual turn on the or activate the subscription from this Nitro sections. So this is the simplest and easiest method to cancel your Discord Nitro trial subscription. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.